Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Shadow Black 2017 Ford Explorer, stock number 18G590A. There are factory fog lights and front-facing sensors. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 20-inch Hankook tire. Inside, you've got a dual-panel power sunroof, and then there's a black leather upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for two in the front row. You've got seating for two back in the second row as well. On the back of the center console, you have your climate controls and buttons for heated second row seating. And then looking at the third row, there is seating for two back here. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust. You've got backup sensors on the bumper and a backup camera. Inside of the trunk is very clean. Both the third row and the second row seating fold into a 50-50 split to give you lots of extra space when needed. You can see you've got buttons here for your power folding seats, and then you've also got a button here for your trunk controls, making it as easy as the push of one button to get that open and closed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door, you have buttons for memory seating as well as your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments, and you've also got a power adjustable pedal. Stepping inside, there is a push button start. On the left of the steering wheel, you do have cruise control buttons. On the right hand side, you have audio controls. On the driver's side visor, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons. And then coming down to the center, you've got this great touch screen display here. This is where your backup camera will show. You do have a navigation system here as well as Sirius satellite radio capabilities, and there is a CD player and AM/FM radio. Coming down underneath of that, you can see there is a Sony premium sound system. You have additional audio controls as well as your dual climate controls. There are buttons here for heated and cooled front row seating as well. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You have a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 25 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Explorer or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoTip. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.